Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be taking a look at the official fabric case from Google for their latest Pixel 3a. A fantastic addition, this on-trend option makes the Pixel 3a look great while providing protection from day-to-day use. The official nature certainly stands out right away. Everything about this looks and feels premium. The fabric finish is incredible. Most phone cases with this design tend to have a plastic finish, however with this official case you have a true fabric feel. It not only offers a premium look, it also improves your grip, meaning you're less likely to drop it. Using the Pixel 3a can be done with ease. The soft touch button covers and cutouts for the camera and fingerprint sensor let you use the phone as though it isn't in a case. When you're out and about, you can be sure to make your latest handset stand out from the crowd with this unique and premium design. It definitely adds to the phone's overall look and feel, making it look great whether you're heading into work or out with friends. In terms of protection, this official option certainly adds a lot. The bumper shields from drops and bumps, while the raised lip keeps scratches from damaging your screen. I found there are a couple of exposed areas at the top and bottom, but these make way for the phone's features, so this was to be expected. I think Google have done a really nice job with this case. It adds to the premium design of their handset with a fashion-forward touch. With this, you can make your phone look on trend, while protecting it from whatever you might throw at it day to day. That's all we have for our look into the official fabric case for the Google Pixel 3a. For more information or to browse our selection of cases for this latest release, I'll be leaving links in the description and comments of this video.